During World War II, paratroopers were often dropped deep behind enemy lines, far from supply lines or reinforcements. Their survival and mission success depended not only on training and courage, but also on the ingenuity of their equipment. While many people are familiar with the standard gear, rifles, helmets and parachutes, few recognize the small, seemingly inconspicuous pocket tools that made an enormous difference in the field. These tools were compact, versatile, and specifically designed for soldiers who needed to survive, navigate, and improvise under extreme conditions. Today, understanding these tools offers not only a fascinating historical insight, but also practical lessons for survivalists, bushcraft enthusiasts, and anyone interested in historical ingenuity. Paratroopers carried specialized folding knives designed for multiple purposes. One of the most overlooked items was the folding utility knife. Unlike standard combat knives, these were compact enough to fit in a pocket, but robust enough to perform a range of tasks, from cutting rope and canvas to preparing food and crafting makeshift shelters. The secret lay in their design-reinforced locking mechanisms. Serrated edges and multi-blade configurations allowed soldiers to adapt quickly to changing circumstances. Modern survivalists can take inspiration from these knives by choosing multi-purpose tools with compact, reliable designs. A high-quality folding knife in a bug-out bag or field kit can replicate the versatility paratroopers relied on in World War II. Another secret paratrooper pocket item was the small wire cutter or plier. These were not only used for mechanical tasks such as repairing equipment or clipping wires, but also served as improvised tools for escape and evasion. Paratroopers who landed in enemy territory sometimes had to cut through fences, dismantle traps, or retrieve gear from wreckage. Learning from this, modern enthusiasts can equip themselves with compact wire cutters for survival kits, not just for camping repairs, but also for creating emergency shelters or freeing trapped gear. The key lesson is that a small, well-designed tool can serve multiple functions when the situation demands it. Navigating dense forests, rural landscapes and enemy-held territory required more than a map. Paratroopers carried small, pocket-sized compasses that were often overlooked by collectors but were indispensable in the field. These compasses were lightweight, easy to read in low light, and designed to resist shocks and moisture. They enabled soldiers to maintain orientation even when cut off from units or forced to move stealthily at night. Today, a compact compass remains one of the most reliable navigation tools. While GPS is convenient, the paratrooper example reminds us that a simple, durable device can be critical when electronics fail or batteries die. Some paratroopers carried collapsible shovels, wire saws, or combination tools that folded into their pockets. These were primarily intended for digging foxholes, cutting firewood, or improvising traps, but they also had secondary uses such as self-defense or signaling. The brilliance of these tools lay in their portability and adaptability. For modern bushcraft practitioners, a pocket-sized collapsible tool can perform many tasks without adding unnecessary weight to a kit. The principle is clear. Compactness, multifunctionality, and durability make a tool indispensable in unpredictable environments. World War II paratrooper pocket tools were all about efficiency under constraints. Soldiers had to carry as little as possible while being prepared for almost any scenario. This teaches modern enthusiasts to prioritize compact, versatile tools over bulky, single-purpose items. For instance, a folding knife combined with a small wire cutter, a compass, and a collapsible shovel can cover most survival needs in the wild. The strategy is to think about the essential functions required in survival, then select tools that cover multiple tasks. Understanding historical designs also helps in appreciating ergonomics, durability, and simplicity, principles often overlooked in modern gadget-heavy kits. If you want to apply this knowledge, start by assembling a small pocket kit inspired by World War II paratroopers. Include a reliable folding knife, compact pliers or wire cutters, a durable compass, and a multi-purpose collapsible tool. Learn how to use each tool in different scenarios: setting up emergency shelters, navigating off-grid, gathering firewood, or preparing food. Historical reenactors can also benefit by studying the original tools to accurately recreate the gear carried by soldiers, while gaining hands-on skills that remain relevant today. Practicing these skills reinforces self-reliance, adaptability, and problem-solving, the same qualities that made World War II paratroopers so effective behind enemy lines. The secret of the paratrooper pocket tools lies in their understated brilliance. They were small enough to forget in a pocket, yet vital enough to save lives, aid escapes, and enhance mission effectiveness. By studying these historical tools, we gain insight into the ingenuity required for survival under extreme conditions. Whether used for bushcraft, modern survival scenarios, or historical appreciation, the principles of portability, versatility, and resilience remain timeless. If you found this guide fascinating and want more insights into historical survival strategies, practical bushcraft methods, and clever tools from the past, subscribe to Backyard Wisdom and share this video with fellow history enthusiasts. Applying lessons from World War II paratroopers today can make you more prepared, resourceful, and connected to the ingenuity that shaped survival in the most challenging circumstances.